By the end of this video, you will have a complete UGC-style AI video ready with a realistic AI model, your actual product, and zero cost. The quality is good enough to directly post on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or run as an ad. Here's what the final result looks like.
I used to get tanned so fast, but this sunscreen saved my skin. Look at this, super light, not sticky at all. It blends so easily and no white cast. My skin feels fresh, protected, and glowing all day, definitely staying in my routine.
Before we start, let me quickly tell you what we're actually doing, so nothing feels confusing later. We are going to, first, generate AI model photos using an image generation tool. Second, use those photos to generate short AI videos. Third, join all those videos in a free editing app. That's the full process. 3 stages. Let's go one by one. Step 2, generate your AI model photos. For the AI model, we need an image generation tool. We are going to use NanoBanana Pro. Now, this tool is paid, but you can use it for free through a platform called OpenArt. OpenArt gives you a limited number of free image generations, and that is more than enough to get started. The link is in the description. Quick note, this is not a sponsored video. I personally tested this tool before making this video. Now, when you open OpenArt, look for the NanoBanana model in their model library. Select it, and then write your prompt to generate a realistic AI human model. If you don't know what prompt to write, DM me on Instagram. I will send you the exact prompt I used. Step 3, generate 3 separate photos for your product. I am using sunscreen as the product in this example. You can use any product: skincare, supplements, gadgets, anything. For a proper UGC video, we need 3 different shots, so we need to generate 3 separate photos, all with the same AI model. Photo 1, the model is looking at the camera and talking about the sunscreen. Think of it like an intro shot. Model is speaking directly to the viewer. Photo 2, the model is holding the sunscreen product clearly in front of the camera. Product should be fully visible. This is your product showcase shot. Photo 3, the model is applying the sunscreen on their arm or face. This is your demo shot, showing the product actually being used. Generate all 3 photos on OpenArt using NanoBanana Pro. Make sure the model looks consistent across all 3, same face, same skin tone. Once all 3 photos are ready, download them and keep them in one folder. Step 4, create video prompts using ChatGPT. Now, before we generate videos, we need proper prompts. We are going to use ChatGPT for this. It's free. Open ChatGPT and type this. Give me 3 separate video generation prompts for a sunscreen UGC ad. In the first prompt, the model should be talking about the sunscreen and its benefits. In the second prompt, the model should be clearly showcasing the product in hand. In the third prompt, the model should be applying the sunscreen on skin. In all 3, the model should be speaking naturally about the product. ChatGPT will give you 3 clean, ready-to-use prompts. Copy all 3 and keep them saved. We will use them in the next step. Step 5, generate videos using Grok AI for video generation. I personally tested Grok AI for this exact use case. Here is exactly how to use it. Open Grok AI. Go to the Imagine section. Click on Video Generation. Upload your first photo, the one where the model is talking about the product. Paste the first ChatGPT prompt you generated. Hit Generate. One video will be around 6 seconds long. That is completely normal. UGC ads are made of multiple short clips joined together. If 6 seconds feels too short for one shot, just generate the same shot twice with a slightly different prompt. You'll get 2 6-second clips for the same scene, and you can keep the better one. Now repeat this exact process for photo 2 and photo 3. Use the matching prompt for each photo. Once all 3 videos are generated, download them all. Step 6, edit and join the videos. Now you have 3 short video clips. We need to join them into one final UGC video. I am using CapCut. It's completely free, available on both mobile and desktop. You can use any other free editor too. VN, InShot, DaVinci Resolve, whatever you prefer. In CapCut, import all 3 video clips. Arrange them in order: talking first, showcase second, application third. Trim any awkward frames at the start or end of each clip. Add a voiceover or captions if needed. This makes the video perform better as an ad. Export in 1080p. That's it. Your video is done. Here is what the complete video looks like after following all these steps.
I used to get tanned so fast, but this sunscreen saved my skin. Look at this super light, not sticky at all. It blends so easily and no white cast. My skin feels fresh, protected, and glowing all day, definitely staying in my routine.
If any step wasn't clear, drop your question in the comments. I reply to every question. If this was useful, like and subscribe. I post videos exactly like this. No fluff, just process.